This video will teach you about am, is, are. Pausing is okay. Lesson. Positive forms of am, is, are. The verb to be changes to am, is, are. We usually use a noun or an adjective after am, is, are. I am. He is. She is. It is. You are. We are. They are. I am a student. He is a man. She is very funny. It is clever. You are great. We are students. They are American. My name is Daniel. I am British. My parents are hardworking. We are going to have lots of fun. My cat is weird. Contractions, short forms, are common in informal written language and speech. I'm, he's, she's, it's, you're, we're, they're. I'm a student. He's a man. She's very funny. It's clever. You're great. We're students. They're American. My name's Daniel. I'm British. My parents are hardworking. We're going to have lots of fun. My cat's weird. Lesson. Negative forms of am, is, are, plus not. We can use not with am, is, are. This gives the sentence a negative meaning or the opposite meaning. I am not. He is not. She is not. It is not. You are not. We are not. They are not. I am not a teacher. He is not a woman. She is not boring. It is not stupid. You are not terrible. We are not teachers. They are not British. My name is not Jane. I am not American. My parents are not lazy. We are not going to be bored. My cat is not normal. We can also use contractions, short forms, with not. I am not. He isn't. She isn't. It isn't. You aren't. We aren't. They aren't. I am not a teacher. He isn't a woman. She isn't boring. It isn't stupid. You aren't terrible. We aren't teachers. They aren't British. My name's not Jane. I'm not American. My parents aren't lazy. We aren't going to be bored. My cat isn't normal. Exercise 1. Match each verb with the correct form. He is. They are. I am. She is. You are. I'm. It's. You're. Exercise 2. Put these words in the correct order to make sentences. She isn't a student. My cat is weird. We're lazy. They aren't from America. I'm a teacher. My parents are not lazy. I'm British.